So hello everyone, my name is Ying and my matrix number is 10TTT21F1062. So for today's video, I'm going to explain about 3 lab activities for chapter 1. Okay, so our activity 1 is when we click a button, the label will become a hello world. So our activity 1, we have a button and our button name is button click this. And we have the text inside the button is click this. And we have one label and the label name is hello world, and the label one text we set as the hello world and inside the button. So when we click the button, the hello world, the label one hello world will become, the text will become hello world. So now we run the app by click the play button. Now when we click this button, and the label one is become hello world. So that's all for the activity 1. Now we're moving on to the activity 2. Okay, so now we're moving on to the activity 2. And this activity 2, we're going to make a picture viewer. There's an app to run, to load a VR picture and display a picture. So now for the form, we change the text for the name for the form becomes picture viewer. So the title is picture viewer. And now we change the size to 954 width and 512 height. And then we have added in the table layout panel 1, and the column we have 2, and also the row we have 2. The dot for the layout we have changed to fill so that it fulfill the window. And now this is our layout. So now we can run our apps. So when we run our app, we have nothing here because we didn't have adding any app pictures inside here. So that's all for activity 2. Now we're moving on to activity 3. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last activity, activity 3. And first, we have changed the title for the form to Matric here. And the form border style we changed to fixed 3D. And also for the size, we have changed to size 500 wide and 400 tall. And for the maximum box, we have changed to force. And so that's all for the form properties. Okay, so for the time remaining box, this this is a label, and we have cleaned the text inside the label. And we also changed the border style to fix the single, so we have a line around border around the label, and we put it at the up right corner for the time remaining. And also we have add a time left label so that we can for this border for this time left box, so that the user can know this box is for the time remaining time. Now is for the plus left label, and this is plus right label, and it have the font size is 18, and the size for this label is 60 wide and 550 tall. For this plus sign also, and the equal sign, and this all is same one. And this is for the this is the answer for the users to key in. This is a numeric up down box, and here is the buttons to start the quiz. And for this one, our index tab index is become, I set it as 0. So this will be the priority, is the first for the when the user press the tab. And this is the tab index is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when the user press the tab, here will become from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we run the apps to try this. Okay, so now here, when we press the tab, it will become here, and when we tap, and then it will become the second one, the numeric up down box, third one, and the fourth one. So this is the 0, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all for the activity 3. So that's all from me. Thank you.